Health benefits of oranges. Rich in vitamin C. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and protects against common colds and infections. Powerful antioxidants. They contain flavonoids and other antioxidants that help fight free radicals, reducing cell damage and slowing aging. Improves digestion. Oranges are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Good for heart health. The potassium and fiber in oranges help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and support a healthy heart. Enhance cautions. Overconsumption may cause acidity or upset stomach. People with diabetes should consume in moderation due to natural sugars.